Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on this sign and know how you can do that on your Quora app. We will go to figure out the solution. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and all you have to do now, just click here on settings here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here, just switching to show for you like this, and you click here on privacy, then it's going to take you here in this window, just switching to show for you like this, and you come here to allow adult content in recommendations. You will click here on this sign, and like you see now, so it's going to take us here, and so you click here on yes, at least here, and like you see, you click here on same, then it's going to turn on with you here, like you say, when this color show for us in this sign, that's mean allow adult content and recommendations, it's so on now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.